Good morning. Today, I'm taking you through a workout with my pre-workout. So I went through my stash and I was thinking, what should I take on a leg day? Because I don't want anything too vasoconstricting. And I chose Wildfire, which is, where's Wildfire? I just had it. What? Oh, here it is. Skittles. Well, it says Skittles. Where's the other flavor? There was Mojito. I'm being picky with the flavor because I don't want Skittles in the morning. It doesn't sound too good. But I had it. I'm gonna have to pause the video. Be right back. And we are back with Wildfire Mojito. Because lime in the morning is not bad. It's pretty good. And I haven't used it for a while, so I'm gonna have to shake it up. But basically, one of my viewers, my longtime website visitor, Mr. Midnight, gave me the idea, hey, if you record yourself, using your pre-workout, going to the gym, working out on that pre-workout, hell yeah, that's a good video right there. It's like, yeah, you might be on to something. That's a really good idea. So, Mr. Midnight, I appreciate you. And so I'm going to take Wildfire today for my leg workout. I haven't done legs for a week. Usually I do it like twice a week. Now I haven't done it for like a whole week, which is a long time. But I'm going to have Wildfire, and then if I have some intro workout of Formula 7, huge supplements, I'll use that. But it's basically a fun day. I'm not testing any pre-workouts today. And it's leg day. I want to make sure I'm not too overly stimulated. Wildfire is usually pretty good from what I remember. Where's the scoop at? Don't tell me there's no scoop. Oh man, I don't see the scoop. Oh, I remember what happened. Because when I went to Turkey, I took some Wildfire with me. I took the scoop with me. So hopefully the second Wildfire has a scoop in it. But I'm cold. Holy. Literally just woke up 10 minutes ago. Shaved my head a little bit. And I want to kind of like show you the... Wait, what? There's a scoop outside. I had a scoop the whole time. Man, it is the morning. There's two scoops here. How is there two scoops here? It appeared out of nowhere. So I must have taken a nap while I was talking to you. So I get distracted when I'm talking. My brain's not functioning or something. Okay, this is not closing properly, is it? Is it, mate? It's Wildfire, innit? So Wildfire is crazy. I don't mean to say like it's a low stim pre-workout. It's a very high energy pre-workout from what I remember. But I'm using one scoop, one heaping scoop. And it says it has DMAA, but I doubt that. I doubt it. But there's one scoop. Put it in some water with some ice. The ice to make it a little bit better. But I mean, I don't care about flavor, but if I can make it a little bit better, why not? I'm not a hypocrite, okay? I'm not a hypocrite. So I'm gonna record most of my workout too at the gym. And hopefully you'll like it. Hopefully you enjoy it. I know you will. I'm actually gonna try really hard at the gym for the leg workout. Last time wasn't so good because of my APT, but I think I'm feeling better. But if not, I'll just go crazy on the machines. Oh man, I sound like an old man now, skipping squats. Should be fine. But this is gonna taste good. That lime, it's so overpowering. It's overpoweringly lime flavor. but I might take enhance as well, or I might take it later because it has ashwagandha. And ashwagandha takes away stress, and in the morning, you want that stress, you want that drive, you want to be stressed. Everything has ashwagandha, and it's just annoying for that. But drinking this, then half an hour later, I'll make my way to the gym. Something like half an hour, maybe a little bit more, and then head straight to the gym. My fingers are getting cold here, standing here. See you in a bit. Leg day. I'm gonna crush it. It's gonna be really good. It's going to be a really good workout, and I'm gonna try to crush it. I am going to crush it. It's my workout, and it's legs. Gotta get them big quads. Get the big quads going. Got the drink right here. There's still a bit of wildfire left, and I'm drinking it, of course. And it's like a 20-minute walk, so I'll be warmed up by the time I get there. Oh, beautiful weather, by the way. I'm gonna tan later. Gotta go to the beach. What a good day to record. Absolutely nobody in the gym. I feel like I'm in a ghost gym. I just had my walk. I'm still drinking Wildfire. It's over here. It's almost finished. Squeeze the squeeze as hard as possible. I love doing planks before the workout. Find it helps with the back and core, especially before a leg workout. To make it harder, you can do this. That'd be a good workout. Sure. Let's go. How are you? I normally don't do these before the squats, but it's gonna help a lot. Pretty exhausting, the quads. I like putting this because there's no cushion on the leg thing. It's hard to set up. There we go. This is light. Just remember I need to do glutes. So warm up. How many is that? 6. Yeah. I can already feel the pump. My legs already feel pumped. Yeah, so I'm drinking Formula 7 by Huge Supplements. Move this camera. So I like drinking it, especially in fasted training, because it's got the carbs, it's got the creatine, carbs most importantly. I find it doesn't matter which intro workout, as long as it has electrolytes, helps a lot. But carbs help. I used to drink this one intro called Saison. That one was literally a game changer at the time. I was exploding size. I remember seeing this one guy, he would be like, whoa, he just gained like 10 pounds in one workout. Probably cheering me on, hyping me up. Can you hear that from someone bigger than you? Feels good. I like to breathe a lot. Gotta get that oxygen. Gotta go do glutes now. You practice the formula for squats. My heart is beating fast now. Let me adjust this. I feel like I can never get good angle. The weird angle there. I'm gonna do one more set of this and then start doing squats. Be here all day. But it's seriously empty. They're not even playing music. What day is it today? I find just holding it better than doing a bunch of reps that are fast and half-assed. Block these notifications. I do one leg. No, it doesn't do anything. And that's in 15 squats. at this. It's totally empty. Jeez. I always start with the empty bar. Just to make sure if the form is right. I'm all warmed up, ankles are okay. I feel pretty good. Let me just show you. I like to do this just to get my ankles loosened up. The elbows on the knees, push down. Feels pretty good. Just do a stretch. I need another 25 pounds. Let's do this. I'll dress it. Let me check this angle. That's pretty good. Quick warm up. That's light. Where's its light? It's got my head. I'll do as many reps as possible with this and then increase the weight. It's like I drink a lot, as you noticed. That was like 3 sets in 2 minutes or something. 3 sets of a couple reps. Still warming up. The whole workout was a warm up for my next workout. That was a long enough break. I don't know how long that was a break. I feel good. Got my heels coming off the ground a little bit. Just a little bit dizzy. I'm okay though. It's dead silent in here. This will be my last set for squats, at least.